Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to export a 4K video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to File and click the Project Settings. Expand the timeline resolution and select the 3840 by 2160 to ensure that the project is in 4K. Once done, click Save. Now go to Deliver tab. Here you can rename your file and choose what to save on your computer. Then expand the format and choose the MP4. Under the codec, you have the two options. The H.264, it is better for compatibility and larger file size, while the H.265 is for smaller file size but less compatibility. Then under the quality, select restrict to get and set the 95,000. Then expand the encoding profile and choose the high for the best quality. Click add to render queue and then hit the render all to finalize your export. And that's it. Your 4K video is now ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.